the odd one out can feel, well, odd. I mean, I'm a dog, surrounded by cats. But actually, I'm a dog born to cat parents. A dog cat, if you will. Mum still tries that now. Yuck! What kid hasn't chased a squirrel for 10 miles? Am I right? I'm the only pug in town, but this is home. That's Flix, a dog's life.
Great show and tell, Flix. But what's it really like being the only dog in Felinia?
I love it! Yow! My parents say being a dog in a cat town is actually a superpower.
How? You can't shoot lasers from your eyes or stop time. What are these amazing powers? What a catastrophe! He can't think of a single thing!
Now, Burma. I think what Flix meant was that... Okay, very well. We'll pick this up again next time.
You're just a regular dumb mutt.
This is really scrummy.
Why, thank you, my kitty cat. It's a new recipe.
What's the matter, Bubcorn?
So, you said being a dog is my superpower.
Absolutely.
But how? What's the actual power?
Well, you're unique in Felinia. Who can smell or run better than you?
Or chase his tail 100 times in a row.
But over the bridge in Dogtown, every hound worth his tail can smell and run and do all that doggy stuff.
We aren't born with powers, Flix. We find them, like Felina's photography. I call it urban despair. True artists are never appreciated in their own time.
I need to figure out my real superpower. Whatever it is. It could be anything. Thanks for helping, Bow Meow Crew. Together, we'll figure this out.
What about flying, Flix? It's a classic superpower.
Great idea, Tabby. Ah! Guess I'm a land pup.
Try move this pencil with your mind. They call it telekinesis. It's the best power.
My eyes are sore. Is it moving yet, Munchkin?
First things first. The clothes maketh the meow. Superheroes have costumes.
Woof! You're right. Maybe if I dress like a superhero, my superpower will reveal itself.
You'll need a name too. Something snazzy, snappy, to the point.
Superflix! Whoa, I look like a hero. Watch out, Superpower. Here I come.
He's Superflix.
Superflix.
He's
Superflixy.
Meow.
I get a theme tune? Possum! Okay, Bow Meow Crew. Maybe flying will work if I jump from a higher position.
Ouch! Pity you can't land on your feet like a regular cat.
Let's think dog, Superflix. What are your key canine characteristics?
The usual. Chasing, smelling, being cute and having boundless energy.
We need to test you out. Put you in the heart of the action.
Sounds like this might be a job for Superflix.
Come on! Whoa! Let's follow the fuzz! The bank was robbed, and the burglar somehow managed to slip away. Keep your eyes peeled. The thief could still be nearby. The thief? Not on my watch!
Flix, stop! That's Jeanette! She plays bingo with my grandma.
Yeah! What are you doing?
You were stealing Tabby's bag.
I was adjusting the straps. That bag was about to fall off. Some superhero.
Superhero? Time to show Flix Crawl how it's done.
How am I using my superpower here?
You're the living sponge. Cleans like no other.
Have you heard? Felinia has a real-life superhero.
Ruff! Thanks, Miss Hiss. It's no big deal.
Not you, Flix. The superhero's over there, doing good deeds.
You saved Wheelie Whiskers! Thank you, Fangboy.
Think nothing of it, citizen!
Fangboy? What a costume! What a disguise! Who is this mysterious Fangboy? Oh, it's Burma, isn't it?
That's the kid that jumped me.
I thought she was the bank robber. I was trying to be a superhero.
We don't need a hero like you. You're just a powerless pooch. Fangboy will protect us.
Toddle home, Pooper Flix. I've got this covered.
I thought I was figuring out my superpowers, but Burma's right. Felinia needs a cat hero, not me. I'm just a dumb dog.
Someone's stealing all our cutlery from the cafe. Maybe it's the bozo who robbed the bank?
I'm sure Fangboy will sort it out.
Burma's no hero. I'm sure he's up to something. We need you, Superflix.
There's still life in this dog yet!
Huh? Pleasure doing business with you, Fangboy. You can keep the rat.
Burma's no superhero. He set everything up. Ruff! That fork is from the Tiger Milk Cafe. Burma Fang isn't just a fraud. He must be our thief.
Let's tail Burma first, gather evidence, and then unmask him.
Following me, Flix?
Whoa!
Still trying to figure out how to be a real hero?
We're on to you, Fangboy. You're staging your good deeds.
Guilty. Great plan, though, eh?
Plus, you stole the cutlery from the Tiger Milk.
I found that fork.
I don't believe you.
Then I'll fight you.
You again. A menace to society.
I'm so sorry. Let me help you. You're the thief! Wow, nice moves for an old moggy. Face it, Jeanette. You're cornered. Hey, Jeanette. Your moves are pretty impressive. But check this out.
Pesky pup, you distracted me and slowed me down.
In the end, Superflick had nothing to do with it. It was regular old Flix Crawl who solved the case. And that was Flix, A Dog's Life, the sequel.
You still couldn't find any special powers, Superflix.
You dressed up too, Burma. We're not forgetting that in a hurry.
Burma's right. I don't have a superpower. I can't fly or shoot lasers, but I caught Jeanette by being myself. That's kind of the best power of all. A dog in a cat's world, just trying to get along.
He is
Superflick! Superflick! Superflick!